When we're struggling with brain fog, it's easy to look for a complicated supplement or a magic pill. But I found that some of the biggest improvements in my own journey came from something very simple: the food I was putting on my plate every single day. Food is information for our bodies and for our brains. Many women in midlife believe they need a complicated solution to clear the fog, something expensive, difficult, or even extreme. But the truth is, our brains are deeply influenced by the simple everyday choices we make at the table. In fact, research shows that up to 80% of brain health is shaped by lifestyle, not genetics. That means we have far more control than we often think. And food is one of the most powerful tools we can use. We can either give our brains information that creates inflammation and fog, or information that creates clarity and focus. Today, I want to share the 5 delicious, non-negotiable foods I eat every day that made a huge difference in my mental clarity. These aren't exotic or expensive. They are simple, powerful, and easy to find. Number 1, a handful of berries. And here's something fascinating. Studies show that women who regularly eat berries can actually delay cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years. That's huge when you're worried about memory, focus, and staying sharp as you age. For me, just knowing that my simple morning bowl of blueberries is giving my brain a head start for the day makes it so much easier to choose them over a sugary snack. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. They are all antioxidant powerhouses. Think of them as your brain's personal bodyguards. They go in and protect your brain cells from stress and inflammation, which are 2 of the primary causes of brain fog. I add them to my morning oatmeal or just eat them as a snack. Number 2, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula. I know, it sounds boring, but these are packed with folate and other B vitamins that your brain desperately needs for memory and focus. The easiest way I found to get them in is to add a big handful of baby spinach to a smoothie. I promise, you won't even taste it, but your brain will thank you for it. Number 3, walnuts. If you don't like walnuts, don't worry. Other nuts and seeds like almonds, flax seeds, or chia seeds are also wonderful for your brain. I like to rotate them so I don't get bored. You can sprinkle a tablespoon over yogurt, add them to a salad, or even blend them into a smoothie. Little changes like this add up to big protection for your brain over time. These are the king of brain food. They are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are absolutely essential for building healthy brain cells. In fact, they even look like a tiny brain. Just a small handful a day is all you need. Number 4, extra virgin olive oil. This is a true brain health superstar. It's a healthy fat that is loaded with powerful antioxidants called polyphenols. These help fight inflammation throughout your body, and especially in your brain. But don't cook with it on high heat. Instead, drizzle it generously over salads or cooked vegetables. It's a delicious way to protect your mind. And number 5, a piece of dark chocolate. Yes, really. High-quality dark chocolate with 70% cacao or higher is packed with flavonoids, which have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and support learning and memory. It's not candy. It's a powerful tool that also feels like a wonderful treat. Just 1 or 2 small squares is perfect. So, to recap, berries, leafy greens, walnuts, olive oil, and dark chocolate. Simple, powerful whole foods that protect your brain. One of the best things about these foods is that they don't just help with mental clarity, they also support your mood and energy. During menopause, it's common to feel more anxious, more tired, or less motivated. These brain foods give your body the raw materials it needs to produce the feel-good chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. So you're not only thinking more clearly, you're also feeling more balanced. Knowing what to eat is the first step. Consistently eating these foods is what creates real change. I track my daily habits in the 90-day clarity planner to make sure I'm giving my brain what it needs every single day. If you're looking for a system to help you stay on track, the link to the planner is in the description. Also, you can get my free guide, 8 objects in your home that are causing you headaches and brain fog. It walks you through the simple steps to create a calmer home environment. And if you haven't seen it yet, be sure to watch my last video on the #1 morning habit that could be making your brain fog worse. What's one brain food you love? Share it in the comments below. Be well, and I'll see you in the next video.